Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Designs. One can alter and enhance their living space by using paint or wallpaper on the walls of their home. With the application of light paint color, a dramatic space can be immediately rendered soft and airy, while space that is too big will feel relaxed instantly with a striking pattern in darker wallpaper. Cover several surfaces imperfection, wallpaper quickly and smoothly stick to the wall. It can add fire, complexity, and elegance to a space that is not possible with the monotone paint. Wonderful designs, fascinating textures, and lovely prints affect the decoration of a space. Often, people prefer to place wallpapers with a chair rail long edge on half of their walls so that they can have a hint of wallpaper on their walls. A wallpaper can effortlessly broaden the character of your space. Wallpapers are easy to clean and maintain. Unlike older times, people prefer best wallpapers over paint as they are easy to work with and then they can wipe clean without much hassle, so you can get rid of damage marks on your property easily. This way, a wallpaper sheet is a safe choice for rooms where the walls are likely to get dirty. The design on the paper help to cover dirt and smudges as well as are easy to clean. Lastly, wallpapers can mask defect much better than a paint coat in plaster of wall. Wallpapers are a perfect solution to transform a space without much efforts. Wallpapers form a base that holds the style of the apartment together. In this way, the wallpaper provides a canvas for you to render according to your vision. Wallpapers are sure to upgrade your home decor and add grandeur to your space in simple yet effective way with numerous alternatives of wallpaper online to choose from. It may seem like a challenge to pick the perfect one. Either maintain a consistent theme and accordingly select a house wallpaper or be experimental by choosing the wallpapers according to your room's utility and desired ambience. Living room wallpaper set the tone for the entire home. It offers a mix of textures and patterned wallpapers in neutral metallic tones, creating opulent and luxurious interiors. Mughal is a comprehensive collection for architectural geometric wall covering in colors inspired by mineral and crystals to enhance the beauty of your space. Walls with floral prints are refreshing and welcoming. Wallpapers offer a delightful and colorful visual backdrop suitable for a homey and casual appeal. Floral wallpapers are also the best choice for a bohemian theme. Let bedroom wallpaper reflect your personality. Heavily based in blue, green, beige, its floral motif exude elegance and sophistication. For a mysterious vibe, Fossil Collection is the right choice. It features a blend of natural woody texture in greens, greys, and off-whites, emanating a whimsical aura. Ranging from neutral to ochre and trendy rose gold, inspired by natural textures, classic geometrics and abstract patterns, with wide range of options in wallpapers. Luxury Metallic Collection presents a beautiful curation of designs with metallic highlights that are versatile and will work wonderfully with every kind of decor. Wallpaper is generally what somebody pulls away whenever they would like a crazy look on the wall space, but they do not wish the headache of painting it. But wallpaper is also available in more muted colors. When you would like your wallpaper to be more contemporary side, try to go neutral color. Neutral would be mainstay of several contemporary spaces, as they enable one to become outdated in years to come. There is something really timeless about neutrals. Make use of serious subdued coloring. Another option for contemporary wallpaper is using a strong saturated hue. Green wallpapers is a fantastic for providing these hues some slight textures. On the other hand, red wallpaper is generally customizable. It is easier to get the actual shade what you want. Usually with color, the shade underneath contributes somewhat to the brand new color unless used leather on numerous coats. Go light, large scale floral patterns additionally are not totally out the window in modern designs. The light color wallpaper schemes, generally speaking, make some room look contemporary and updated. Additionally, they have the capability of opening up the area visually. So any light simple wallpaper design is able to work if this is the feel you would like to achieve. You can select a floral pattern, you can go for a geometric style, or perhaps choose a good light shade. Make use of black, white, abstract wallpaper. Black and white neutrals are more style that simply scream modern. High contrast color schemes have a tendency to be hallmark of contemporary style, while white and dark wallpaper produce the ultimate contrast. Deciding on an artistic wallpaper with a white and black design is a great way to obtain a stark contemporary appearance. When you are searching for strikingly great wallpaper ideas for your home but short on space, skip out on large prints, which will just make it appear to be smaller. Rather, go for delicate, small-scaled prints that will continue to help to define an area in fashion without screaming. Think floral pattern prints and two-toned dot which are native in texture yet room defining in effect. Yet another excellent take on unique wallpaper ideas for challengingly smaller space. Tonal stripped and pattern wallpaper is ideal for maintaining the look easy on the eyes while developing a layered play of soothing colors. Thus, rather than going for expressive and bold hues, keep it delicate and choose basic combinations that will continue to enable you to present some necessary depth and color in cramped spaces. Once again, you cannot fail by keeping the look simple. In reality, by choosing calm hues and pattern, it could enable you to value your wall covering choices all the more since they do not elicit too much psychological effects. Plus, with regard to the reselling your house, subtly awesome wallpaper ideas for home are going to be certain to meet a possible buyer approval as the appearance will continue to be timeless in appeal for the very long haul. Although the Art Deco era is about to celebrate its centennial in the interior design world, the heady appeal of the symmetrical graffiti art decor inspired prints and patterns will continue to endure because of its daily feeling of the decadent glamour. Go for a strong appearance with a simpler feel and also think about making use of it just an accent wall to maintain the look contemporary and fuss free. Next, you cannot go for fox marble look. Though removal is almost a hassle-free experience, these wallpapers are very fashionable. You will certainly not need to take them down. These modern wallpapers are a real game changer and will bring life to any room. Bright colors and fun, quirky prints are apt for kids' room wallpaper. Keeping your target wallpaper price in mind, explore a wide variety of wallpaper that just matches your style and budget right. With home wallpapers, you can set up an appealing backdrop for your home decor and for all the eventual conversation, events, and enduring moments to unfold from here on. Friends, hope you like this video on modern 5D wallpaper designs, and for more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also click the bell icon so that you never miss any future updates whenever we upload a new video. For the latest and trending interior decoration designs, visit our website interiordecordesigns.in and check out the latest trend in interior decoration. You can also follow us on our social media profiles like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram, and Pinterest for more design ideas. If you want to take interior decoration design ideas in your pocket and on your smartphone, then you can download our app available on Play Store from the link in the description box below. With this, we finish this video here and we'll meet again soon in the next one. Till then, bye and take care.